So guys, for the first step, you want to go to Google and then type in 7-zip. Now you want to go to the 7-zip website. We're going to download the 64-bit version, or if you're using 32-bit, you can get that one. Most of you guys are going to be on 64-bit, so click on download. It's then going to download it. Once it's been downloaded, you want to click on it, and then click on yes to install it, and then click on install. It's then been installed. We can now resolve this. So now you want to find a folder that you want to put a password in for. You want to right click on that folder and then click on show more options and then click on 7-zip and then click on add to archive. Now once this comes up, just put your password here that you want. Re-enter the password and then click on OK. It's then going to create a new folder right here. Now once we have this new zip folder, it's going to let us open it. It will let us open it, and then here are the files inside. It's going to show the file names. However, if we try to open these files that's inside, it's going to be saying this. So to open it now with the password, you need to right click on the folder and then click on show more options and then click on 7-zip and then click on open archive. It's going to be showing this folder. Double click on it. It's going to be showing your files. Now to open it, you want to double click on it. It's then going to be asking for your password. So put the password that you typed in earlier and then click on OK. I can now open up the file. That's how you do it. Just so you know, if you transfer this folder to like a new computer or something, you're going to need to have 7-zip installed so that when you right click on the folder and then click on show more options, you're going to be seeing 7-zip open archive. So you must have 7-zip installed to open the folder with the password that you set earlier.